All right, guys, here we go. I did send an email that I was live. I did. And they'll be here, dude. They'll be here. It usually starts at 8 Eastern to 8:30 Eastern my time on Saturdays. They'll be here. So we got 2017. I just sent the email like 10 minutes ago. 2017, 2018 Upper Deck, or not Upper Deck, Hit Parade Series 26 on the NHL jersey autographs. Here we go. I send an email out, and Breaker sends an email out as well. But a lot of times it goes into people's spam box. Nothing I can do about that. But I sent an email through MailChimp. Literally right before I logged on, within seconds. And they'll be here. Still marrying it. Alright, so this is for the jersey. Got it all typed up, guys. Found the dice today. Melissa, the kids, Jackie, everybody, sorters, been helping me out all day. They've done a great job, man. Thank you for all the master sorters. Alright, so dice roller has to be 3 or more. I tried toning the lights down, so it's not perfect yet, but I will get there on the lighting in the house, guys. All right, 3 or more. 9 times. So let's double check everybody's name on the jersey randomizer. We got Anaheim. Spot 1, Jan. Spot 2, Marty. Spot 3, Major. Spot 4, Henry. Spot 5, Bouchard. Spot 6, Shondog. Spot 7, Dan B. 8, Dan B. 9, Maxime. 10, Dan B. No, 10 is Caputo. Caputo would have put a hit on me. $11 is Dan B. 12, Jason S. 13, Gare C. 14, Davey, a.k.a. Oilers Baby. 15, Dan B. 16, the one and only Kostler. 17, Gare C. 18, Dan B. 19, Davey. 20, Mason Jar. 21, Tiro the Hero. 22, J-Tac. 23, Caputo. 24, Dan B. 25, Oilers Baby. 26, Bouchard. 27, Garrett C. 28, Marty S. 29, Johnny Tack. 30, Johnny Tack. Dice roll again was 9 times. Let me write it down. I always keep it on the sheets for later. I don't know why, but I write it all down. All right, so there we go. I'll maybe hold it up like this, maybe make it a little easier. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We got Johnny Tack on top, his favorite spot 22. Tiro on the bottom. List was randomized 9 times. All right, all 30 teams in. Let's take out Vegas. Hopefully they'll start throwing Vegas in the Series 27. That'd be pretty cool. I'm sure they will. All right, so 9 times on all the teams. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. So we got Nashville on the top, CBJ on the bottom. List was randomized 9 times. Let's match everybody up. I'll get it printed out, read all the names of the team owners or whatever. Nashville, Johnny Tack, Dan B. Capitals, Dan B. Penguins. Colorado, Dan B. Minnesota, Dan B. Maxime, Rangers, Dan B. Ottawa, Detroit, Dan B. Oilers, Baby, Davey, Coyotes, Dan B. Ducks, Gareth C. Flames, Sean Dog, Oil, Gareth C. Dallas, Kostler, Hurricanes, Jason S. Blues, Montreal, Mason Jar, Marty S. Florida, Bruins, Dan B. Marty S. Kings, Caputo Flyers, Johnny Tack Buffalo, Dan B. Devils, Oilers Baby Canucks, Major Isles, Caputo Leafs, Oilers Baby Chicago, Johnny Tack Jets, Gareth C. Sharks, Henry Tampa Bay, and CBJ Tiro. Alright guys, I'm going to email this to myself and then print it out because I have to print it, send it to the other computer. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I literally just lost my page, dude. Wow. Holy cow. Wow, dude. I just lost my screen when I moved the computer. I'm like, this has been just a hectic weekend, dude. I almost should have took another weekend off getting ready, but then again, if you don't just get into it, it doesn't get done all the way. So we're going to have to go by the video of the team owners since I lost the darn list. Thank God for the video. We'll get back to Breakers Live so I can see you guys. There we go. Now I can see you guys. So anyway, we're going to have to go by the video. This is definitely my first break. Alright, let's roll the die. We got 2, 1, 2, and 4. We'll just roll till we get one of those. Speaking of that, 2. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. And this is not my product. Usually you guys, a lot of you guys know that. My product, I don't have any fancy lettering or anything. It's from AJ's. I box them in. This is 23 out of 100. In AJ's, I box my own stuff in priority mailboxes. So this is Steel City. Most of you guys already know all that. So again, we're gonna have to see the video to see what team you had. I lost my page. Thank God I read all of them off. And it is Kyle Turris, Ottawa. Senatros, Kyle Turris, Ottawa. Oh no, this isn't still C. This is David Adams. So there's Kyle Turris. Again, have to watch the video to see who had Kyle Turris. When I moved my computer, I lost the page, but I read all the names and teams off. Everything's on the video. So let me write on here. Number 2C, Senators, winner. And then I'll watch it and name the box owner as well. All right, thank you guys. I appreciate it. We'll get this uploaded. Again, I showed the list of all the winners, read them all off on the video before I lost my page. So it's all on camera, and it'll be up to YouTube in about 3 minutes. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it, everybody.